Hello, dear students. Today I will be explaining you literature chapter number 14. It's a poem, and the name of the poem is Be Careful What You Wish For. It's written by Ander Davidson. So, it's a poem, it's a kind of lesson for all of us. Let us read it and find it out how we can get a lesson from this poem. So, be careful what you wish for. There are a lot of things in everyday life which we wish, but we should be careful while wishing things for ourselves. Let us start. Have you ever wished for something and then regretted that wish? Regretted means afsos hona. In the poem, Arnie the apple is wishing for something. Find out what happens next. So, the poem is about an apple. The name of the apple is Arnie, right? Let's begin. Arnie the apple hung from a tree in an orchard a mile wide, and every day the pickers would come and haul dozens of apples inside. So, Arnie the apple is hung from a tree in an orchard. What is an orchard? It is, you can say, falon ka baag. Baag it is. A mile wide. A mile wide means it is spread in a area of a mile, 1 mile. And every day the pickers would come. What happens in that orchard? Every day the pickers would come. Pickers are the people who pick fruits for money. Like, you give them the money and they will pick the fruits from the trees for you. So, the pickers would come and they would haul dozens of apples. They would pluck so and so many apples and they would take them inside, somewhere inside, right? Hauling means carrying off something with a lot of effort, because they pluck lots and lots of apples and their carts become heavy and they took all the apples inside. They would pick the prettiest of the bunch, filling their baskets and pails. But they always passed by Arnie, ignoring his whines and wails. Now, what the pickers used to do? They pick the prettiest of the bunch. Means, in a bunch, if there are 7 apples hanging from a tree, they will pick the prettiest of the apples. जो सबसे सुंदर apple होगा, prettiest of, right? Filling their baskets and pails. Basket is tokri and pail is bucket, balti. So they pick the good apples and they fill their baskets and buckets. But they always passed by Arnie. They never pick up Arnie. They pass by him, ignoring his whines and wails. Whines and wails are the noises of pain and sadness. Like, Arnie is very sad and he is making noises, like he is always whining and wailing. He is making noises of sadness. But the pickers always ignore his whines and wails and pass by him and never pluck him. Please pick me, Arnie would cry each time the pickers sauntered by. I want to go inside with you, cried Arnie till he turned bright blue. Now, Arnie would always cry that please pick me and take me inside. To whom did he cry? He always cried to the pickers who were sauntering there. Sauntering there means, sauntered by means, walked in a slow and relaxed manner. Like, pickers are walking in a relaxed manner in the orchard, picking good apples. Arnie would always cry that pick me up. I want to go inside with you. Arnie always used to cry that he wants to go inside with the pickers, and he cried till he turned bright blue. Till he turned bright blue means, in actually his color did not change. Apple's color did not change, but when we say na बहुत इतना ज़्यादा रोया कि नीला ही हो गया. So he cried till he turned blue, means he cried a lot. But the pickers ignored him day after day, while Arnie hung there in dismay, trying to nurse his shattered pride, dying to be picked, to be taken inside. Now the pickers were ignoring Arnie every day while he was hung there in dismay. Dismay means very sad. He was very sad and he was hanging there. He tried to nurse his shattered pride. Shattered pride means उसका गौरव जो टूट गया था, right? He was trying to nurse it. Nurse it means he was trying to be calm. He wanted to go inside with the pickers, dying to be picked, means तोड़े जाने के लिए मर रहा था, like pick me, to be taken inside. Each new dawn he would do a trick, like spinning around on his twig, but the picky pickers never stopped for apples that weren't big. Now what Arnie started? He started doing a new trick every morning. He spin around his own twig, अपनी डंडी से घूम जाता, spin around, so that he gets, like he tries to pluck himself from the tree. But the picky pickers, picky means choosy, pickers were very choosy. They were choosing big and good apples, big red good sweet apples. So the picky pickers never stop for the apples that weren't big, and Arnie was a small apple, or juicy or red or bright or sweet. Now Arnie was neither big nor juicy nor red or bright or sweet. Poor Arnie was none of these things. He wasn't completely quite full grown, and he had some nicks and dinks. Now Arnie was not completely grown, and he had also some nicks and dinks. Nicks and dinks means cuts and dents. He dreamed what it was like inside, lights and music all around. Arnie just wanted to go there badly. He flung himself to the ground. He always dreamt that so many apples go inside somewhere, and what goes inside, there must be a party going on with the lights and music, and apples are enjoying inside. Like, I also want to join the party. He wanted to go there so badly that one day what happened, he flung himself to the ground. Means he had fallen one day. The next day the pickers came along and saw him lying there. They took him inside, and Arnie thought, this is it, I am finally there. Now next day when the pickers came, they saw that an apple is lying on the ground. They picked up the apple, means they picked up Arnie, and now they were taking him inside. And Arnie was very happy that I am finally going to the place where I wanted to go always. But when Arnie the apple looked around, he realized his dreams were false, cause in less than 15 minutes he was Arnie applesauce. So what was there inside? Inside was a room or a factory, whatever you can say, where apples were changed into apple sauce. In that place, apples were converted into apple sauce. Apple sauce was made. And in less than 15 minutes, he was now not the apple, he was an apple sauce. So that is why the title of the poem is very appropriate, that be careful what you wish for. Arnie wished to go inside, but he didn't know what is waiting for him inside. Right? So this is the poem. These are our word meanings: pickers, haul, winds and wails, sauntered, dismay, shattered, picky, nicks and dings. You have to do the word meanings in your fair notebooks, and in the same PDF you will find that back exercise has been done. You can copy this back exercise in your books. Please complete your notebooks on time. I'll be asking you to send me the notebooks for checking.